Alrighty, Eddie, here's your 363 small block Ford. Your description is combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Bromine manifold. Holley Terminator X system. Finish air front end on it. Rear sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Doke, 3,800, 402 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 450 is really flat in there. It's nice torque curve there. Beautiful. Peak horsepower 521, rated at 530. Front end's about 15 or so. So runs really good. Show you a couple things here. See if your engine find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs, and anything from us. That engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. Got a QR code to take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.